Hi and welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how I take apart one of these pallets in less than 10 minutes using basically just two tools. One being a crowbar, possibly the favorite one for everyone, and the least favorite, a circular saw. Reason being, I save time. I want to save time. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to fiddle with edges and pallet breakers that break the edges of my wood. And yes, using a pallet breaker, you might get a bit of extra length out of one of these pallet planks, but I don't care. I just want a usable piece as quick as possible, least amount of time, least amount of effort. And this is all you need. Let me go ahead and show you. I have some basic working gloves because you don't want splinters from these things as you work on them. Now the first thing I want to do, I have already set the height of my circular saw to what I know it needs to cut there, and I know where the cutting line of my circular saw is, and I'm going to keep that just to the edge there. Go. That's the first edge done, and then I just flip it over, and those parts are off. Now you can strip this out as well if you like. I don't have time for that. And now comes possibly the hardest part. Now, to make my life a little easier in this process, I just wheel these. Oh, sometimes when you are lucky, you wiggle them and they come loose. There you go. And now I'm going to use the crowbar for the first time, just to loosen these up a little more. And the last part remaining on the back. There we go. I'll probably saw that out and just use these two edges because it is pretty split there, but there you go. That's how you break a pallet in less than 10 minutes. Now, removing your nails is actually pretty simple. Always be careful of the nails, make sure you're wearing gloves, you don't want splinters, etc. And the easiest is to get some heavy pliers with some heavy cutters, the cutting edge. And what you want to do is you want to take that nail head and just cut it off first. The reason you do that is I've got a little bit of a lifted edge on the side of my table here, and I'm going to take my hammer with that lifted edge, give that some taps, your nail comes out and it removes quite easily. Very easy, very simple. You can clean up a pallet very quickly using this method. If there are more nails, just cut them off. You just want about a short piece sticking out like that. Give it a bit of a love tap there, and it will come out quite easily with the lightest of claw hammers. And that's how you clean up your wood.